some shiplap. Done putting together a bench. I did that off camera because, you know, it was like a couple screws. No big deal. Anyway, I'm gonna move this and put the bench there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these just yet, but they'll find a new home somewhere. I think I'm gonna vacuum there. Bought some frames on Amazon. I almost dropped them. And I'm gonna put those and make a gallery wall because this back wall being blank is killing me. I know that when I open the door it would cover, but this door doesn't really get open that much anyway. So we're gonna gallery wall. Just some simple frames. I'm glad that they came matte because I didn't think that they did. I got them matte. So I think I got a 10 pack, right? But I'm going to do like 9 of them on the wall, right? I think. And then go on that one there, and then we'll go from there. That looks like the middle to me. I think that's pretty good. Oh, I just realized you guys cannot see that, so maybe let's reposition you. There. Anyway, I think not too bad for eyeballing. Now, let me just go ahead and do the rest.